Alright, guys. This one's just stupid, so I spent more time lighting my cigar than answering this retarded question. EGR deletes are legal everywhere. Absolutely not. They're not legal anywhere. Tampering with and removing federal emissions equipment is illegal in all 50 states. It's not a state-by-state thing. A lot of people will hit me back with, oh, well, we don't have emissions in Ohio. We don't have it here in Georgia. We still got hit by the EPA. They searched our facility for 6.5 hours. They were trying to prove that we were deleting EGRs. You weren't. They left. You got a certificate. We passed. No signs of tampering. You cannot delete an EGR cooler anywhere in the United States of America. These YouTubers, these clout chasers, that's all they are. Don't listen to them. Do not delete your EGR if you don't want to get in trouble. If you do get pulled over, some of these highway patrol guys are from transfers from California where EGR and DPF deletes are very strictly enforced. I've had customers here in the state of Georgia get pulled over by highway patrol, pop the hood, look underneath the truck, where's your emission stuff, shut it down right here on the side of the road, call a tow truck, fix a ticket. I don't want to put you in that situation, so I'm not going to lie to you like the rest of these idiots and tell you that it's legal. It is 100% illegal. Do not delete your EGR. I don't want you to get in trouble. If someday legislation changes, laws change, I'll be the first one to let you know that. As of right now, you cannot do it. Don't do it. I don't recommend doing it. I still have the EGR cooler on my 6-liter Power Stroke. If it cracks and fails, which it will, it's garbage, it's junk, it doesn't work. I hate it as much as you do. When my EGR cooler fails, I'm going to install a bulletproof diesel EGR cooler. It will last for a very long time. I've never had to warranty one out. They work. They redesigned it. They figured out the problem. At the end of the day, it's not hurting anything enough for me to say that you should delete it. You're going to have a little bit of soot on the inside of your intake. If you're really worried about it, install a Snow Performance water methanol injection system. It will clean that soot right out. I would love to help you set that up. It's very easy to tune. The fuel economy gains with water methanol injection are phenomenal. I have years and hundreds of thousands of miles of experience with running water methanol injection on EGR equipped diesel engines. So EGR is not hurting anything. Does it soot up? Can it soot up? Absolutely. If you're worried about that, water methanol injection will fix it for you. If you got questions about water methanol injection, drop those questions in the comments below. I will get them answered, and shoot us a message. We'd love to answer your questions.